What's going on, everybody? I am standing in front of my office, which is not a double wide. It is a storage building that was converted into an office. Now, I just wanted to go over a few things and see if maybe y'all can help me figure out what any of this stuff has to do with credit repair. I'm going to show a couple clips and maybe y'all can explain. You've probably seen these clips before, but I'm going to show them again because I need help figuring out what this stuff has to do with credit repair. Being racist, what does that have to do with credit repair? TRT, what does that have to do with credit repair? Faking where you live, what does that have to do with credit repair? And also lying about deleting a late payment from a mortgage. It's a remark code. For somebody that's been doing credit repair for 10 years and you don't even know what a remark code is, nothing was deleted. They do that when you dispute an item. Y'all have any questions or concerns? Leave them in the comments. Watch these clips. Hope y'all have a great day.
I want to fix my credit. What's the price? Like, learn how to fucking talk first, bro. Like, all right, credit is here. You got to put that aside. Learn how to talk. Okay? So that's another thing that rich people do. They learn how to talk. They don't say.
There's people on TRT with fake confidence that, you know, they didn't do the right things. They were trying to cheat. Never been on steroids, have been natural and organic and holistic. So we're going to take that. Ooh, why did you? We're going to take that now.
All I am is a man. I want the world in my hands. I hate the beach, but I stand in California with my toes in the sand.
Can you remove a mortgage late payment off a credit report? And the short answer is yes. This is a screenshot from my client's Credit Karma he just sent me. And look at that, 120-day mortgage late past due removed.
I just woke up, so I'm a little drowsy.
Your background time.
Right? I feel like I smoked some. I don't know. I just feel like I smoked a blunt.
That's what crack
All right,
is,
here we
dude.
go, guys. Struggling this morning. Something up with my brain.
You think?
The pizza. Yeah, there's chemicals in that pizza that fucked up my brain.
And the last video about the pizza, sorry, I just had to throw that in there. I've never heard anybody say pizza messed up their brain. Y'all have any questions or concerns? Leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great Friday.